Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the interesting recipe which you guys can make it at your home very easily. So today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a kale chutney. This is from my garden, guys. Everything is from my garden. So yeah. Here I have some kale. Here I have some fresh coriander, and here I have some mint and some fresh curry leaves, and here I took 3 to 4 shallots. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to show you step by step how to make a kale chutney for rice, idli, dosa, chapati, parota at your home. So let's start the recipe. So take a iron kadai, guys. So if you don't have a iron kadai, you can use in any kadai. Here I added 1 to 2 tablespoon of oil. In this, I'm going to add the urud dal. So here I'm adding some urud dal, some chana dal. So 3 to 4 tablespoon, guys. 3 to 4 tablespoon of urud dal, 3 to 4 tablespoon of chana dal. We have to fry all these things. In this, I am adding 4 to 5 red chilies, up to your spice, how much you want in your chutney. So we have to fry all these things. So can you see, they've started becoming light brown in color. And I'm going to add all these, the kale, coriander, everything. So here I added the shallot first. Then we have to add all the greens like kale, coriander, mint, curry leaves. So here I added all the greens and I am going to mix all these things together. So we have to cook this one for 2 to 3 minutes until the raw smell gone of the kale, the coriander, everything. So I put full kadai, guys. Can you see how it reduced now? And in this I'm going to add a small piece of tamarind. So here I am adding a small piece of tamarind. This gives a tangy taste in the chutney, and some peppercorn, guys. So we added all the things, guys. When it becomes cool down, you have to add the fresh coconut. If you don't have the fresh coconut, you can add the dry coconut. Today I'm going to add the dry coconut. So yeah, so everything is done, guys. So yeah, in this I'm going to add the hing powder, guys. The asafoetida, which gives a nice taste in the chutney. And which is very good for our digestion also. So everything is ready, guys. So after 5 to 10 minutes, I will grind it in the blender. If you want to use that the stone one, you can use the stone one. But today I am going to make it in the blender, guys. So here I added the fresh desiccated coconut, guys. If you want to add the fresh coconut, you can use the fresh coconut also. And in this, I added some salt up to our taste, how much salt we want in our chutney. So this is up to your taste. So I'm going to add little bit of water. In this, I'm going to add some water because we have to grind this one as a smooth paste. So the chutney is ready, guys. It's time to add the tempering. Here I took a small pan. In this I'm going to add some oil. So here I added 1 to 2 tablespoon of sesame oil, which gives a nice flavor in the South Indian chutney, guys. And in this I added some mustard seeds. And when the mustard seeds started sputtering, we have to add this one in the chutney. So this is ready, guys. I'm going to pour this one in the chutney. So the chutney is ready, guys, and as I said, you can have this one with rice. Today we are going to have with hot rice by adding little bit of ghee and idli, dosa, chapati, bread. Even you can spread this chutney in the bread. So yeah. So this is a quick video of how to make a healthy kale chutney or green chutney at your home. See you soon in my another video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.